All right, today we're at the Lucky store, Lucky, California. We're going to check out the tomato plants. Here we go. There's a small display here of plants, and they have like cherry tomatoes, and they have one I like. It's called Big Mama. Cool name, Big Mama. Right on. Alright, so now I'm going to transfer the tomato plants from their small 4-inch into these larger, I think these are 5-gallon containers, and then go from there. So here we go. So my first step here is to take the empty container and to initially fill it with some potting soil, and then next I'm going to take the plant, the tomato plant, still with the plastic container, and place it inside the container with the dirt and compress it down so it makes a small hole. And now I am adding more dirt to the container to bring it to the same level of the potted plant inside. Save that for later. So you pack down the dirt around. And you take out remove this. Now you have a hole inside that will fit the plant, and that just goes in. Voila. Now you can add the dirt around the top. So that's how you transfer a plant from a 4-inch container into a larger container, and that should work. There you go. So I've done these other plants, get them ready, and after you're done, you don't want to give everybody a good watering here. I've watered a little bit earlier. Alright, I think those are good on watering.
since I watered earlier. And then next, you want to add a tomato cage. This will help the plant grow and stay vertical throughout the season. I've already inserted one cage over here, and then we'll try to insert another cage on this other plant, or big mama as they want to be called. Positioning is just trying to insert the bottom prongs in. Once inserted, plant is centered, not trying to break any branches, and then just push down, and that's it. So this is Tomato Container Gardening 101. Thank you for watching.